crazy. What's cracking? Today I am heading over to parents' house. As you can see, I have no speedometer. That's because the speedo drive is actually in the front diff. So what I've got is I got a VSS Pro, which is a emulator, and it emulates the ABS signal and turns it into a speed signal. Well, it emulates the speed signal, sorry. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to hook that up. Hopefully that works, and I won't have a engine light, and I'll have a speedo, which will be good. And as well, I'm going to be installing a We Are Likewise gear shifter knob and a drift button. And as well, I've got a parent front license plate delete. So yeah, let's do that. Alright, I'm going to do this one first. We Are Likewise. Comes in cool box. They're really good quality, actually, company. So we open that up. Got some nice picture in there, that's cool. And instructions. Do use spanners. Don't use a fork and spear dolphins. Okay, note to self. And we have the drift button. So pretty nice. I got the Daytona style. So when we lift up in here, nice shifter, really good quality, and as well, just got the right thread for a Subaru, which is 12 1.25. 12 1.25. I just got this in black, or black as they have put it. There's also another locking nut in here. So that's that as well. If I can get it open with one hand. An OG Likewise sticker. And H pattern. Because in Australia, if you remove the shift knob and there's no H pattern on top of it, you have to have it somewhere on the car near the shifter so that it's legal. So, got that guy. And yeah. Put this stuff to the side here. Really good quality stuff from these guys, like, they're awesome. So good on them for building their business to where they have. And in here, this guy. And what this does this goes here and deletes all of that crap that's there. So sweet. here, you go off this way with the reverse. This one's a bit different, but it's mainly there for legalities, so I'm just going to put that there and we'll just all pretend that that's correct. Now I just take off old Mr. eBay spec. Cool. That's that done. So, new shifter, really nice, good feel to it, not too heavy. That's the main thing about it. And yeah, new drift button. Move this out of the way. Holds good. Looks good. Suits the whole cabin with the black. Really happy with that. Shout out to Likewise, they're really good. Called a VSS Pro. What that does is that has some wires that go up in there. I've got 2 grounds, a 12 volt connected to accessories, and then up in behind my cluster there's a speed sensor wire that goes into the back of the cluster and also to the ECU. And so that's for me it's a little green and yellow wire on the right hand side where the speedo is. And then there's one more line that goes back here, which I've tapped into the left-hand rear ABS sensor. So I've soldered those wires together so they read off the ABS sensor. It goes back to that little unit, and then what it does is it emulates a speed signal and sends that to the cluster, which sends it to the ECU. So the ECU now goes, the speed sensor's moving, that works. So it just it gives me my speedo drive, which you'll see now. But that working is like the greatest thing ever. Holy shit. Oh, so happy. So yeah, now I can put all this back together. Check out a video that's going to come out soon for Dan and his Subi wagon. So big weekend this weekend. Bit of a short how-to video. Hope you enjoyed.